Hey everyone! Today we are drawing 3 awesome characters, Rumi, Zoey, and Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter, all ready for Christmas! First up is Rumi. We start with Rumi's face. Big, cute eyes. Blink, blink. Now a happy little mouth. Wow, she already looks adorable. Next, let's draw the gift box. Rumi is holding a present. Draw a square, add a ribbon, tie it tight. What do you think is inside? Candy? Toys? Tell me fast! Draw her legs, one leg, second leg, and now her shoes. Last step for Rumi, let's draw her braided hair, long and cute. Perfect! Rumi is finished. Now it's time for Zoey. Start with Zoey's face, round and soft. Draw her eyes. Now her mouth. She looks so excited. Let's put on her Christmas hat. Fluffy, warm, so cute. Now draw Zoey's body. She is wearing a cozy sweater. And she is holding a Christmas candy cane. Yummy! Would you eat it? Next, draw her legs. And now her shoes. Nice and comfy. Zoey is done. And now the last character, Mira. Start with Mira's face. Draw her eyes. Now give her a big, bright smile. She looks so sweet. Next, draw her hair, smooth and pretty. Add the Christmas hat on top. Now draw Mira's body. She is wearing a sweater. Draw the lower body. Draw her legs and her shoes. And she is holding a gingerbread man. Great job! All 3 characters are done. Now let's add some color. First, color the skin. Use cream or light peach. Nice and soft. Add pink cheeks, tap top, so cute! Now color Rumi. Purple outfit, green gift box, red ribbon, blue skirt, yellow sweater, red hat. dark brown hair, plum sweater, Now, Mira. Red hat, pink hair, purple sweater with yellow patterns, gingerbread cookie, orange and cream, dark navy pants and shoes. And that's it! Our Christmas drawing is complete. They look amazing together. If you love this drawing, hit like, subscribe, and tell me which character you like the most. See you next time. Bye-bye, and Merry Christmas!